What's up, everybody? Long time no see. I just really felt like vlogging today, so I think that's what we're gonna do. I just woke up and I'm making some breakfast. I'm pretty hungry. I think what I'm gonna do is I have some, ooh, there's stuff on top of that. I have some bacon, but I think I'm gonna save that for like a breakfast for dinner type situation. But I've got some eggs, and then I've got some hash browns, and I'm going to put them in a tortilla and make like a little breakfast burrito situation. I thought about making French toast, but I don't know if I wanted to get that fancy. I woke up this morning kind of in a cleaning mood, so I'm going to eat my little breakfast. I started a load of laundry already. I kind of want to tackle the kitchen and the bathroom. The bathroom gets pretty gross pretty quick, especially after like Brent shaves. Trying a new iced coffee recipe. Not sure really how I feel about it. I do know one thing. I need to get my hair under control. Which you guys have seen me at my worst, so I don't even care. That's great. So I'm gonna get these hash browns going, and I'll see you, I'll check back in. Funny story. So Casey and I went to the store the other night because I needed to go so bad. Brent and I have not gone to the store in so long, and I just asked Casey, I was like, want to go with me? And they were like, sure. So we went to Walmart, and Casey, I bought like a Walmart has like a cheap 2-pack of cake pops, and Casey was like, can I pay you $1 for one single cake pop? And I was like, bet. And then they were like, I'm just gonna put the $1 in the carton of eggs and see what Brent says, thinking that Brent would be the first person to open them. Wrong. I opened my eggs and found this. This has been in the fridge for a few days now. So, I thought that was so funny. I opened it and I was like, what the heck? Breakfast is served. I'm so excited. And I got my little iced coffee here. I just finished my breakfast burritos and they were so yummy. I suppose I should put the eggs away. I need to get dressed because I'm not going to be productive today if I don't. This is totally off subject and very random, but look at this little cactus that I got. I don't remember what his name was. Jeremy. His name's Jeremy. My coworker named him. But I've had a couple succulents in the past and I killed them both, so probably just I mean, I know it was overwatering them. I watered them once a week and they died very quickly. This one I've watered a couple times since I've had it, and I've had it for a few months now, and it's thriving, so. Oh my gosh, Xena completed doggy obedience, and she can now shake. So we'll have to show you that here in just a minute. Right, monkey? Ooh, pretty good. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, I finally got dressed. And unfortunately, the laundry's done. Excuse my dryer. I'm gonna throw, this is so real, okay? Which means I'm gonna throw the clean stuff in the dryer in this laundry basket that I've not folded yet that still has multiple loads of clean laundry in it. Tell me you're too cheap to buy curtains without telling me you're too cheap to buy curtains. Who's gotta eat, huh? How would it win? She says, yes, Mom, I'm very hungry and I'm starving. Ooh. Oop, clean it up. Clean it. You're a turd. Mommy put it in your bowl. The next thing that I need to do is the dishes. I think dishes is my least favorite thing, but I have to do the dishes to wash my hair, and I need to wash my hair, so. I really should clean the microwave. The microwave really needs to be cleaned out. Maybe that's what I'll do. I heard, I think, somewhere that you're supposed to, like, if you microwave a bowl of water for like 30 seconds, it makes all the stuff on the inside of the microwave come off easier. Like, stuck on stuff, it makes it come off easier because it's humid. Let's try that. Okay, I've got my bowl of water. I'm embarrassed to show you the microwave, okay? But I think I'm going to. Just so, this is a little experiment, okay? So we're gonna do it together. Okay, don't judge. It's not as bad as it could be, but it's yucky, okay? It's a microwave. And this is gross. Okay, anyways, so we're gonna put this in here. Should I put vinegar in it? I don't know. And then our power flashed the other day, so there's nothing on here, but we're gonna do 30 seconds to start. Is that too much? It's water. What's the worst that can happen? Are you gonna help me clean? Let's show them how you can shake. Okay, so we've got a couple pieces of hot dog here. Sit. Shake. Shake. Good girl. And then with this one, nope, shake. Good girl. Isn't that the cutest shit you've ever seen? Oh, here, you want the other part of it? There you go. Update, nothing really changed. There's really no steam, so we're gonna keep microwaving. Let me pick my tripod up. You all right, girlfriend? You're so smart. You mommy baby good. So I mentioned in my last video, I think what I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do about channels yet. I feel like cash stuffing videos and vlogs don't really go hand in hand. But it's my channel. And I don't know, I haven't decided yet if I want to do like a whole nother YouTube channel for vlogs and a whole nother YouTube channel for cash stuffings. That didn't work, so we're doing 1 minute, okay? I don't know what to do. I don't know what would be easier. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this one on my main channel and see how it does, I guess. And then I need to film the cash condensing video today because my stuff's getting out of hand, so we'll see. Okay, we've got some steamage. Don't touch the bowl. We learned that real quick. We got a freaking hot pad. Dang, child. Woo! We've got some steamage. But like, also look at the top of this. Yuck. Okay. We're gonna start with the microwave and see where we can get. I'm gonna clean this, so I'll show you a before and after, okay? Okay, here's the before. Well, I've got to go to the bathroom right now. I think I might just use dish soap in the hot water that I microwaved. So let's just plop a little bit in there. Am I gonna whisk it? Absolutely. We probably won't need to scrub. It all just kind of, ew, that's really gross. Yucky. Wow, okay. Bet. That is disgusting. Okay, the moment that you all have absolutely not been waiting for. The after. There goes my washer. Freaking waddling out of the house. The top of this oven was just so gross. Windex, she's clocked out today. Great Value's filling in. There's the after. Looks a lot better. You guys want to know what I've really been into watching? Like, kind of like a crazy person. Is van life videos. I think it's my dream to do YouTube and just travel in a van. I think I would love that more than anything in the world. With Zena and Brant and just travel. I'm gonna watch van life videos and relax. I need to wash my hair. I've got the 3rd load of laundry in the washer. And I did the microwave and the stove and then I quit. I do need to change the, so like on our shower we have a cloth liner and then a plastic liner. I need to change the plastic liner. It's getting pretty gross. I look like I have Chanel bags under my eyes. Okay. I've been laying down for a little bit. Got a little bit lazy. But we've got to do the shower curtain because it's driving me nuts. And the trash needs to be taken out anyways, so I can put the liner in the trash can. So let's do that. Oh look, another towel. as a curtain. We are, in fact, in Pride Month. So happy Pride to all of you straights, gays, theys, and really everything in between. I hope you are celebrating and that you continue to be yourself. Yeah, and just be yourself and embrace who you are. Everybody else's hate, not worth it. I'm gonna test them. Let's see if Casey watches this vlog. I doubt it. Maybe I'm underestimating them. I don't know. But happy Pride to you, Casey. I love you, and I love you for being who you are. Wait a minute, are you guys about to get in the shower with me? Lucky you. There's not really anything special about it. I'm glad I'm doing this though, because it is needed to be done for so long. This liner has been sitting on the shelf in the bathroom for months. Easily months. I've missed vlogging so much that we're just like kind of doing it all today, right? We did a little bit of cleaning. We've been doing laundry. I filmed my cash video. And yeah. Now we're taking a shower together. There. We got a new shower curtain. Okay, I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take everything out of these containers, these little bins, and I'm going to go hand wash them in the sink and then reorganize and fill all of this because it's a little overwhelming right now. So that's our next task. Okay, so I cleaned the sink and then I reorganized all this and I scrubbed off like the tops of these and I scrubbed out the inside of them and I reorganized the things inside. We did the shower curtain. Oh, I just need to do the mirror because that's pretty gross. Maybe we'll do that real quick. Check it out. Looks a lot better now. Now, I just need to go do the last load of laundry. Not the last load. Do another load of laundry. Now I need to clean all this up and then I need to take the trash out and do the laundry and we'll be good. I've been listening to tunes. You know what I've really been thinking about? I know we briefly talked about this earlier, but I've been really thinking about van life. Like, it's really got me wanting to buy a van, but like also with what money? You know what I mean? So, if you want van life content, subscribe and watch each of my videos 10 times. People keep subscribing and then unsubscribing and breaks my heart a little bit, but it is what it is. So I jacked a couple of these from the shelter. Don't worry, Stephanie knows about it. Stephanie's my boss, by the way. I feel like I've not mentioned that. Monkey, sit, sit, shake. Monkey, shake, shake. Hey, shake. Good girl. You're so funny. Woo, woo. So Xena and I are sitting outside because she keeps telling me she has to go poop, but we'll see if she actually does. There's a nice big pee. She's got the pre-poop zoomies. I'm so sleepy, you guys. I could easily go in there and go to sleep right now. But I think Casey, well, I don't think, I know Casey's coming over because they need a haircut pretty bad. They're getting like kind of spiky. Casey's hair also doesn't, Casey's hair grows straight out and not, it doesn't lay down. So it's kind of difficult to cut, but we're gonna get it done. Hey, you, go poop. Crazy. I like to sit outside, but there's so many bugs. I hate it. Xena, go poop. Mikey, quit eating grass. Go poop. Please excuse my little trash bin. But now what I'm gonna do is I need to get this gel off. It's been on my hands for far too long now, and and I'm gonna buff this stuff off because it's driving me nuts. My nails are literally painfully thin. So I'm not using the drill on my natural nail. I'm filing the gel. Casey's here. The location is in my driveway, according to Live 360. I'm in here.
Hi, I'm here.
Hi. Say hi to the vlog. It's been a minute.
Hey, vlog.
All 52 of them.
I feel like I would feel better if I threw up.
Oh.
There was so many obstacles on my way to you.
Really?
I left at like 4:11, and I went to the bank.
Went to the vet?
I went to the vet. Well, I forgot that I was going to the vet, so I started coming here and I was like, I'm gonna go to the vet right now. And then all the vets in town are so ungodly understaffed right now. And my vet is always mass chaos and never anybody to help anybody. I probably stood there for 15 minutes.
And Linda.
Actually, she wasn't there.
Oh, good.
I hope that Linda's not watching your vlog.
Hey, Linda.
There's something happening over on South. There's fire trucks and police everywhere. There's a guy directing traffic.
Dang.
Then there was in the next freaking block, there was a huge swarm of children on bikes. Just a massive swarm of children on bikes. And a truck all trying to cross the street at the same time. And I wasn't sure when I was supposed to go or who I was going to hit.
All of them.
Then I pulled into your driveway and I was like, I shouldn't pull into the driveway because this is not where I'm supposed to park. And then
did you read my text message?
Not until I got here.
Oh, nice.
Then I finally got here and I'm like, my God, we need to hurry. Hurry up and go. Get this haircut. Chop it off.
Oh, okay. Move then, bitch. I'm currently watching some Hannah Dugan. I think that's how you say her name, Dugan. It just looks so peaceful living in a van. And I just like imagine doing YouTube full time and living in a van. Oh, so peaceful. I'm also doing my nails because I needed to get the polish off of them really bad. Okay, I sat down and I did my nails. I'm sleepy. I'm gonna eat dinner, take a shower, and then go to bed. And then I go to work tomorrow, and then the Pride Parade. And I believe there's a drag show in town, which might be fun. But I'm not sure if I'll go to that yet or not. I've never been to one, so maybe we'll see. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is kind of different than my cash videos, but I've just been missing vlogging so much. And I want to do it more, and I'm not sure what to do about a separate channel. So maybe just every once in a while there will be a vlog sprinkled in with my cash videos. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have something you want to say, put it down in the comments below. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video.